Wow. So much more. Open it. I always open it on the bottom because it's easier without the papers and all that stuff. Oh god. Wow. It's the macarons. It's so cute. Okay. Aww, they're so cute. Look at them. Look how cute they are. So cute, cuters. Oh, cute, cuters. Okay. Can be extra quick. Okay. So, got it. Oh lord. Okay, got it. I reckon this is the bag. Oh, that is kind of tiny, but it's actually a bag. I'm gonna open this one up. Okay. Okay, come on, Teal. Should have used the scissors. Oh well, I'm already. Anyhow. Cute tag. That is a cute tag. This took forever to get here, like literally 2 months. I don't know why they're not sending it here. And why did they make it? They did not put like a cushion inside. They ruined the whole bag. Look, there's like crease all over the bag now. It's supposed to look like this, you know? Oh, and the cute pouch. I thought they changed. See, this is the pouch. This is what I want from Toreba like 2 months ago. Apparently this is the front and this is the back. There's actually Koguma right there. I'm just gonna open that one up. Yoshi, stop! Stop it. No. No, Yoshi! No. That's a really, really cute like tag. And that's Rilakkuma and Koguma. Side view. I'm gonna try to open this one up. See, this has like a sponge inside. It has a pattern! Oh my lord, look. It has a pattern inside. Oh, I love this! I'm so glad I won this one. I love it! Yes. Okay. Next. Yoshi, really? See? They should have put it in a bigger box and then they should have like put inside like, you know, plastics and stuff to stuff it. No, it doesn't like. Yoshi? Third box. Oh lord, lord. Pretty sure this is also macaron, but not Sumikkogurashi, so. Got it. Got it. 2 items also. Curry! A curry macaron. So cute. I'm gonna open this one. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Oh my lord. I'm loving this batch so much. I'm loving this batch so much. Yes. Last item is, oh, I think it's smaller than I thought it would be. It's a blanket. But they said it's like, it's this one. But it says it's like 120 centimeters. I'm not sure. Yoshi, seriously? Yoshi! Never mind. I'm going to put this blanket on you, Yoshi. Oh, it's so pretty! Oh my lord! Oh my gosh! Can you see the whole thing? Can you see the whole thing? It's nice, no? So these are all the things. Not excluding the cat. So these are all the things. 1, 2, 3 macaron, 1 shoulder bag, 1 blanket, and 1 pouch. So happy about this batch. Really? These is the whole batch. So cute. Rilakkuma. I love it. Oh my gosh. And yeah, one shoulder bag, one pouch, 3 little cute macaron, and they're so soft, you guys. They're like they're mochi, like legit, so soft. They're technically as soft as my pink Sheen, but this is not from Toreba, so yep. This bag right here is more like a kid bag, it looks like, but I don't know, I want to use it someday. I love the pouch. It has like a strawberry pattern inside. I just love it. And there's Rilakkuma and Koguma on the other side, and it has pink strawberries. And this 3 right here, they're so soft. They're like mochi, and they're good quality, you guys. And this one is very good quality as well. And it doesn't shed. Yeah, it doesn't shed, and it's very good quality. I just love it. I love it. Oh yeah, heads up, that's some other like Toreba stuff. This is like from Sega. It's not a Toreba stuff, and I'm starting to like put some Halloween like decoration.